Welcome to iFixScreens Astoria. We are your one-stop shop for all types of electronic device repair needs. Whether you need a screen repair, battery replacement, camera repair, or data recovery service, we're here for you. Our certified experts are able to provide the best-in-class services for your old and even new devices like the iPhone 12, iPhone 11, MacBook Air, iPad Air, Samsung Galaxy S20, and PlayStation 5. As your trusted local repair partner, we guarantee that your repaired gadget will be working like new again. So you can rest assured that our services are always covered and hassle-free at the iFixScreens Astoria. The iFixScreens Astoria store is here to help you with all of your electronic device repair needs. We provide the lowest cost of repairs in town, as well as a 180-day warranty on any parts we install on your device. So whether you need a quick repair or a more involved fix, our experts are ready and waiting to help you out. If you have any questions about our services or would like to set up an appointment, please give us a call at 718-606-6217 or visit our website at ifixscreens.com/locations/Astoria-NY. We look forward to fixing your gadgets.